Hello, today we will learn the phrase feed something in. It means to put something into a machine or a system. You can feed paper into a printer or feed data into a computer. Feed something in is a separable phrasal verb. This means you can say feed the paper in or feed in the paper. Both are correct. We often use this phrase with machines. For example, feed the coins in to start the machine. Or she fed the information in before the test. Be careful not to say feed the paper on. The correct preposition is in. You can use feed something in many situations, like feeding raw materials into a machine or feeding cables into a device. It is useful in both daily and technical English. Try to use it when talking about putting things into machines. Practice by making sentences like feed the data in carefully. That's all for today. Keep practicing and see you next time.